How to fix action not available in Roblox. So what you need to do is first close Roblox completely, go to the task manager, from here find the Roblox game client and check to see if the Roblox game client is still running somewhere. If it's running, end the task. The second thing that you need to do is make sure that your account is verified. So go to the settings, and I am on the web page, of course, and make sure that it says verified here next to your email. You should get something that looks like this in your inbox, and just click verify email. And there you go. After that, go to your start menu, type in Roblox. Here in the Roblox player, click run as administrator. And that should fix your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.